Hello again, Gundam Converge collectors. We have number 11 of the number plus +03 wave there. And here are the other robots, or options you can get. There's 3 robots, and then there's an option part that apparently modifies all of them, I would assume. This thing came out in 2022, and there's some stats there. Typical Gundam stuff. Hold on, focus, 19 meters, and blah blah blah. Okay, open this up, and let me hit this so you can focus on. This thing showed up in MSV series. I have no idea what that is. And some sort of side story from Gundam Double Zeta. Alright. And let's see what's going on with this. That text there, you can read. This is a full up-armored Hyakushiki, I guess. So let me get these out of the bags. And now you can enjoy some artwork from this same website. This gum, tastes good and all, it just doesn't last long. Make sure you get all the parts out of the bags. Many times I forget, I miss a part in these things. So a peg stand makes logical sense. Let's just start at the bottom of this thing here. I gotta change the light angle actually. Boy, my mount here is a little wacky. Okay, well, we got some dark red feet with some pretty good details on the bottom of them. There we go. And the gold is really nice, and then we have a dark blue contrast going around. Oh, but sadly the paint, too much gold there. So we know that the blue came first, and then the gold. Yeah, that's too bad. There's a lot of extra gold. And that doesn't look molded right. Yeah, that's like an extra bit of flash from the mold process. On this side, yeah, much better. So that's too bad as well. The knees seem to have a gunmetal color. It's got some funky dark red 3 things there. I don't know if they're armaments or punching shields or something. These are cool looking thruster things, or maybe exhaust for missiles. Maybe they're missiles or rockets or something. That's a cool looking little red indentation. There's a little bit of green metallic right there. The blue, the gunmetal hoses here look nice on the biceps and also on the forearm. The hands, they do rotate. They come out. That's a fist. This one holds the weapon. It's not a very long peg though. I do wish that peg was longer. And it's got some printing on here. Yeah, that high Japanese printing of sorts. And then you're going to have articulation in the shoulders. That peg is pretty large. This one is smaller. Some round discs on the top of the shoulder and some sort of... Oh, look at it. These actually come out. So you might want to glue those in place. You might lose them if you throw these in a box or something, or if it just falls off a shelf. The neck is gunmetal color, and something's going to go on the back of this thing. Going to the head, it looks kind of like an alien. And something's going to peg into it. And it's got green there, metallic is green there. And the eyes, I think they're just black. That's a shame. Usually Converge has transparent eyes. But no, this one's just black, so that's too bad. Alright, this little antenna goes in here. Gotta wiggle it in. Alright, I don't think that's going to fall out. And I think that antenna might be a little flexible. Well, I don't know. Maybe it is rigid plastic. Okay. Interesting under details there. So it fits very flush down, but you can, well, it does collide with that armor. But no, you can clear it. So some head movement options there. Oh, see? I'm going to have to glue these in place. Hold on. Okay, moving to the back. That's going to peg into the back, but does anything peg into this? It looks like these do. There's 2. Oh, might peg into this and the shoulder, I'm guessing. I don't know which side goes on the outside. This goes on the outside, it looks like. I guess you're going to have to peg this into the back first. In fact, I should probably remove the head as well. Okay. That shape, you can't mess that shape up. Did these rotate? Yes, they... No, that's so stupid. Why don't they have a round peg? Yeah, that's so dumb that you can't rotate those. It's too bad. These also come out. Those might want to be glued in place. Yeah, all these parts seem to be a little bit loose. I think like maybe the PVC shrank a little bit, so I got some crazy glue here. Hopefully it won't vaporize it too much. I think I put those in backwards. Yeah, I did. I think they should be splayed out. Well, might as well glue these on, because they don't rotate anyways. Alright. And what the hey. Okay. So that front one has a hard time pegging in. Looks like you want to put the front one in first. And now that pushes that out. Oh boy, this is just a jumble of looseness. Well, this is supposed to go this way. Let's see what the shapes look like. No, this is the correct way according to the shape there. That goes in. It's just having a hard time spanning that gap. Oh, there we go. Alright. I don't think that's going to fall out, but this definitely will. I got that one in with no problems. Alright, so you want to save the head for last. I should have known better. Okay. Ugh, see, now these fell out again. What the heck? Alright, stay. So the rifle is pretty neat. It's got a giant optic on it. No additional color, unfortunately. I would assume. Well, unfortunately, I can't put it in that side. You know, being the optic being here, you'd kind of think it'd want to be on the inside, but it must be a wireless video system or something. Let's get this on the hand. So you'll see how they molded the trigger finger into the hand already. I think that's smart, but I do think that peg is way too short to support this much weight for a long time. That's going to pop loose a lot. Alright, that's it, nice and flush though. Well, you know, compared to those photos, there's just a lot of red missing on the back side of this thing, but I guess it's better that it's on the front side than the back. There are a lot of nice details you could obviously add paint yourself, like in those thrusters, like because they're recessed and all that. It's nice to have that extra kanji printing as well. So okay, I guess I'll just show you two of the other ones from the collection. The Hidolfer here. It did have a stand, but there's no reason for it to use it. And then this is the Atlas, which is quite wonky. The legs and these little thrusters are just very loose. But the option part set will fix that, hopefully. And so that's going to come in next time when I open up the fourth robot from this series. I'll do probably the option sets also. Okay, well, thanks for checking this out. We'll see you in the next Converge video.